Hi guys, it's Manan Barot here from Pyramid Overseas, Ahmedabad. Today we have a special guest, Mrs. Sandra from Southern Cross University, who has joined our podcast to answer a few questions and understand how Southern Cross is key for our Indian students coming from India. So please join us today in our podcast.
Thank you, ma'am, for coming to see us today. I just want to talk about a few things. I think that mainly for Southern Cross University. What do you think is the key selling points for Southern Cross University?
Great. Thanks, Manan. Thanks for inviting me. So talking about Southern Cross University, the main thing that I would like to focus on is students looking at a public university degree. Yes, we are good at that. Student looking at a university which provides great student support. Then I would say as of Good University Guide 2023, we stand at a 5-star in student support, a 5-star in full-time employment. When I also talk about the programs of the campuses, we have a total of 6 campuses and we have a lot of programs that are running in the main campus like Gold Coast, Lismore and Coffs Harbour. We also have metro campuses which is Sydney, Melbourne and Perth. The final thing that I would say why SCU would be our tuition fee. So we are as low as $25,000 a year, wherein, that just approximately 14 lakhs if you talk about in Indian currency. Yeah. So that's does not require a scholarship and that's the affordability, especially for cities like Sydney, Melbourne.
100%. I mean, 14 lakhs is not a lot. No, that's fantastic. I think for Gujarat students especially, I think 14 lakhs is very reasonable compared to many other universities. So I'm glad about that. But ma'am, what makes SCU special in terms of the degrees? Like what do you think is recommended for students, especially in terms of future wise job placements, as well as the fact that they PR opportunities if there is any for students, because I mean that's the main focus for Indian students at the moment.
Correct. So we have a lot of programs that focus towards are focused towards employment and focus towards permanent residency kind of programs. So when I talk about a few at Sydney, Melbourne, Perth campuses, we are launching our new program next year for 2026, which is going to be a Master of Information Technology, and that's good news because it comes with revised concentrations like an artificial intelligence and a cybersecurity. When I also talk about teaching, currently we all know teaching is growing because we need skilled laborers there, and this is one of the topmost selling program for us because we have the concentration Master of Teaching in early childhood. I don't know, Manan, if you recently heard, we also acquired the Hotel School Australia. Now it comes under us. So yes, students graduating from there get the unique degree, which is now Southern Cross University, and that too it's a public university degree, so that also matters. So there we also have a Master of Business in Global Hotel Leadership, which gives students an opportunity. Like anybody suddenly realizes I want to get into this field, oh my god, I've done this in my undergraduate, I cannot change. So this is an opportunity because it takes students from any background. Even an engineering student can apply to a Master of Business. And when I say the hotel school, it's like global hotel leadership, so it has to deal with leadership job qualities. So wherein students are looking at, I want to do a degree where I can work as a general manager in hotels. So this is a kind of job careers that the program focuses towards.
Perfect, ma'am. So I think the last question would be is in the fact that how does Southern Cross help students, in terms of job placements?
Yes. Good question. As I mentioned, when we were talking about Southern Cross, I said we are a 5-star in student support and a 5-star in full-time employment. So Manan, the Hotel School offers a program which is a Bachelor of Business in Hotel Management and a Master of Business in Global Hotel Leadership. Both these programs, so the ones who are applying to the Bachelor or the Master, the good news is it comes with a paid internship. It's a 6-month paid internship. Average salaries per hour are between $23 to $27. So that gives the student an opportunity to earn as much as $16,000. So I think this is what is unique that we do, is we help the students to get those career opportunities. We also run those placement opportunities on our campuses where we invite employers from different companies. Even the hotel school does that. They invite the HR from unique hotels to come conduct those mock interviews at our campuses so the student can be, more focused, more driven towards attending an interview, and then they get those placement opportunities which are paid internships. I mean, where do you get that?
100% agreed. I think just to sum it up, it just shows that SCU has amazing locations for campuses. Second is that it's 14 lakhs is a tuition fee. Third is that job placement SCU is behind every student in front, giving them internship as well as for the future. So I think overall, I can say Southern Cross gives you the overall experience, as I said before, overall experience of from start to finish. Am I
Correct.
correct in saying that?
Correct.
So I think we need to understand, as right now in India, the most important aspect is getting the overall experience, not just getting a degree and then finding yourself. Southern Cross is there to help you grow from start to the end. And ma'am is there in the fact that we here, as well as Pyramid Overseas, is here to help you. So from all of us at Pyramid Overseas, ma'am, thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it, and I'm hoping we'll be seeing amazing intakes for Southern Cross
Yes.
through us.
Yes.
And knowing that Southern Cross is there to back every student. So thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Manan. You know where to reach Pyramid Overseas in Ahmedabad. So please reach out to them for further information. And this is the right place to help you guide to your public university degree at SCU. See you there soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.